Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord Jabulani McDonald came with the files laphayana ku Twitter. Uzenama files waguphi were the Real Housewives of Durban. Apparently, allegedly, this is what he wrote. Nonku Williams has officially left the Real Housewives of Durban and will not be returning for a new season. I'm like, yes! Yes, guys, I'm happy that Unonku is leaving. I feel Uguti Unonku was just out of order. Somehow she did not understand if she's Christian or not. Somehow she wanted to fight unnecessarily. And I think for me, what was my last straw, and I was like, no, I'm not doing this with Nonku anymore. I am tired, is how she treated Ujojo. Considering Ugutu Ujojo is always on her side, considering Ugutu Ujojo does not have a backbone, and Ujojo is literally like, I don't know, her greatest cheerleader, and that's how she treats Ujojo. I was like, no. This is where I draw the line. Like, that you don't do that to a person that is always supporting you, that is always standing on you, and you're saying you want your time. If a person is your friend, you can easily text and say, friend, I see your messages, I see your calls, I'm not ready to talk. As soon as I'm ready to talk, I'll hit you back. So nje, I am happy ukuthi agabuyi, bye, God riddance. But let's hear the comments. I think they will be completely different. The first comment was from your girl Disebo D, and she said, we thank God. Moving along, Tlhapane said she's skipping the reunion too. Oh wow, she won't be at the reunion. Okay. And others are just shocked. Say, what now? And Michelle is like me. She's saying it's about time. Patricia is like me. She's saying finally. Lungi is saying about time. Z is saying it's about time. Bese sikhathele uyena. Hey, Auntie saying siyabonga. Okay, others are still asking why, but like, this is her time. We love Nonku. We will pray for Nonku, and we hope that she's taking this time to strengthen her relationship with her God. Thank you, Nonku. Goodbye, bye. Goodbye, bye. Woo! Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.